Hey friends, it is time to start planning out and sketching your ideas for your structure that you will make later this week. So I'm on day 2, Tuesday, and I'm going to go ahead on down to the next slide because you are going to be thinking of two ideas for your structure. Now, if you're a remote learner, you're going to think of two ideas and then you're going to end up picking one to work on. If you are an in-person learner, you are individually picking two ideas. Then you and your partner are going to pick one of the ideas that either you or your partner think of, or you can combine your ideas. So right here it says plan it out. Type out your ideas and then use the Scribble tool to sketch it. So this is a really cool tool and I'm really glad that you guys are learning how to do this today. So I'm gonna teach you how to use that tool. So you might need to click this little arrow right here because sometimes I think on your computers, it doesn't show you everything up at the top. So click this little arrow so that you have these words: file, edit, view, insert, format, all those words. Then you'll want to go to insert and then line right here. And then you have lots of different options. You can make a straight line, you can make an arrow, you can do all these cool things, and you can definitely explore with those. But I'm going to show you mostly what the Scribble tool is. So the Scribble tool is where you can actually draw lines and you have to keep doing it, but you can press this, but you can press right here where it also has a Scribble tool. You draw lines to create something. Now, it's not going to be the most beautiful drawing, and that's okay. I understand that it's really hard to draw on the Chromebooks. And what you'll have to do, I can actually turn that. What you'll have to do is you will have to use the touchpad and you will have to click and drag to draw the lines. Now, you don't have to use the Scribble tool. The Scribble tool might be better for if you need to make a curved line. So what you can do is you can also click shape right here, or you can go to insert. Oh, where is it? Shape. Okay, so it's in two places. I'm going to click this shape button right here. And you can maybe, if you want to do a square, you could draw a square using the shape tool. Okay, and you can also change the color of your shapes. I don't think you can change the color inside the scribbles, but you can change the color if you have a square right there. You can go to this paint bucket right here and you can make it. Let's see, let's pretend like I'm making my walls out of aluminum foil. I might make that gray so that you can tell. And then maybe I'm making my roof of my structure out of cardboard. So maybe I would do this. I would do shapes. Maybe I'd do a triangle. And whoops. Let's see. There we go. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is just a sketch. Maybe I'll make this brown for cardboard. Let's see. Do I have brown? Here's brown for cardboard. And then you can just create however you want. And then you will type out your ideas here because it's going to be hard for you or me to see exactly what your plan is. So here you can describe your plan. Tell me what you plan to make, what you plan to use in your structure. Just tell me your plans right here. And you'll do an idea 1 and an idea 2. That's all that you have to do for today. But I'm going to scroll down to Wednesday through Friday because this is where you will make your final plan. So you will recreate that drawing. You might, if you want to change it a little bit, that's okay. But this is your final plan and it gives you a little bit more space to write about your final plan. Tell me what you're using, what your ideas are, how your structure is going to withstand severe weather, what kind of features does it have? Tell me all about it. And then once you're done with your final plan, that's when you can start creating. Here is a place on the next slide where you can either put an image or a video of your structure that you made. Now, I understand that you might have to have a parent help you with that, and that is okay. But when you do get to the point where you have a picture or a video saved to your computer, you can go to Insert, Image, upload from computer if it's on there. If you can't figure that out, that's okay. You can have your parents just email me a picture of it, no problem. And then the very last thing, which you will do after you are done with your structure, is you will answer these questions here. You can press that speaker button to listen to them. Make sure you're answering those in complete sentences. All right, my friends, have fun with that Scribble tool. Play around with it. You can get creative and make your pictures however you want. All right, have a good time.